So this is an interesting little problem. I'm getting ready to drill a rather large hole, a relatively large hole, in this rather small piece. And I know from past experience that if I just drill through, it's probably going to wander, and I'm probably not going to want my fingers that close, and it's probably going to be an issue. So I also need a backing piece when I drill through so that I get a nice clean hole on the back end here. And what I'm going to do is actually super glue these two pieces together. And I've got painter's tape in between so that when I'm done, I can actually just pull this piece off and the super glue doesn't damage the part I want to keep. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So I don't need a lot of super glue, he said. There we go. There we go. And we'll just put that on there and hold it for, what, 20 seconds? I'll hold it for a minute. So, and I'll actually let this cure before I go ahead. So we'll be back. So I've given it a chance to dry. I've got everything lined up and held in place. And then we should be good to go. So here we go. And we're just going to go nice and slow. Okay. And then, it's nice and tight in there. Whoa. There we go. Pulls right off. And you're just removing tape from the piece. A little cleanup, good to go. It's a great little way to avoid harming the piece and, more importantly, harming yourself. So yeah, I thought I'd share that. It's a great one.